Hello, I am Beth Ann Stone with the Los O'Donnell's College Office of Planning and Institutional Effectiveness, and this video is the introductory to Learning Communities eLumen Program Review Year 5 Update. To start, you're going to want to go to the Los O'Donnell's website at www.losmadonnells.edu. Once on the home screen, select the A through Z index of topics. Select P for Program Review. Scroll down the list of options under P until you locate Program Review. Select the link. And now you're taken to the college's Program Review website. We want to access the Year 5 Update Process website. To do this, use the scroll bar on the right-hand side of your screen. Scroll down until you see the header titled Program Review Year 5 Update 2021-2022. You want to select the first bullet pointed link titled Program Review 2021-2022 Year 5 Update Process. Click on this link and you're now on the Program Review Year 5 Update Process webpage. On this webpage, you will find links to the guides, including the training videos, and various information, including the link to access eLumen for your Year 5 update. Using the scroll bar on the right-hand side of the screen, scroll down until you see the header titled eLumen Program Review Guides. The first step to complete our eLumen Year 5 update for Program Review is to download the Learning Communities Instructional Guide. To do this, locate the titled link for Learning Communities, which is the fourth bullet under eLumen Program Review Guides. Click on the link to open up the PDF. Click the downward facing arrow in the upper right-hand corner of your screen to download it to your computer. It is recommended that you save this to your desktop for easier access, as you will need to have it open and viewable as you complete your Year 5 update. Select the back button in the upper left-hand corner of your web browser, and you're now back at the Program Review Year 5 Update Process webpage. Next, you're going to want to access and download your Year 3 update report because you will need to confirm or refer to information included in that Year 3 update. So to do this, you want to use the navigation bar on the left-hand side of your screen and select the header titled Program Review. This will take you back to the college's Program Review webpage. Using the scroll bar in the right-hand side of your screen, scroll down until you see the header titled Program Review Year 3 Update 2019-2020. We want to access our report that was submitted, and to do so, we select the second bullet pointed link titled Program Review 2019-20 Update Reports. By selecting this link, it will take you to the Year 3 Update Reports webpage. Using the scroll bar on the right-hand side of your screen, go to the header titled Individual Program Reports with 3 drop-down boxes below. You can locate your Learning Communities Year 3 Update Report by clicking on the second drop-down box titled Student Services. You will note that Learning Communities are denoted in the table below by an L in parentheses next to the title of the unit. Using the scroll bar on the right-hand side of your screen, scroll down to see the table and identify your learning community. For the purpose of this training video, we will be utilizing Transfer Academy. Going into the cell right next to it, or the column rather, right next to Transfer Academy title, you'll see report and 2 links. One is part 1 and one is part 2. Part 1 is the report itself and part 2 is your Excel workbook. I select part 1. The downward facing arrow in the upper right hand corner will download it to my computer. Again, it's recommended that you have it on your desktop because you should have it open and accessible as you complete your Year 5 update. I select Save to save it to my desktop. I select the back button on my web browser in the upper left-hand corner. This takes me back to the Year 3 Update Reports webpage. I want to use the scroll bar to scroll back up, and I'm going to download Part 2 as well. So I select the Student Services box, locate my Learning Community Reports, and I click on the link titled Part 2. There's my Excel spreadsheet that I submitted for Part 2. I use the downward facing arrow to download this. Again, it's recommended that you download it to your desktop as you'll need it accessible when you complete your Year 5 update. I select Save. I select the back button in the upper left-hand corner of my web browser. Now I'm going to return back to the Program Review Year 5 Update Process webpage. To do this, I select Program Review from the navigation bar on the left side of the screen. Use the scroll bar to scroll down to the Year 5 Update Process link. And I'm back on the Year 5 Update Process link. Now, before I access and log in to my eLumen Program Review Year 5 template, I want to note that you should have received your Year 5 Update Excel workbook from Dave Bellman via email. Additionally, please make notations that are included in the guide pertaining to data for learning communities. There are some data sets that are not available currently in Tableau yet for learning communities. Therefore, you will be referring to your Excel workbook to review specific data for your learning community and to respond to some of the inquiries included in your Year 5 update. Please make sure you have open and accessible your Excel workbook, as you will need to respond to it and or enter in information throughout your Year 5 update program review. Now I'm ready to access and log into eLumen. I use the scroll bar on the right-hand side and go to the header titled eLumen Program Review. Below it, you will see a bullet pointed link titled eLumen Program Review. Click on this link. It will prompt you to log in with your Insight credentials. And now I am into eLumen. I ensure that my role is Department Coordinator in the drop-down box next to my name. In the next drop-down box, I select the program or unit, or rather learning community in this instance, that I will be completing the Year 5 update for in eLumen. So I select Transfer Academy. Make sure Strategic Planning is highlighted. I select Initiatives. The first drop-down box is self-populated to say Accreditation Self-Study. I click on this box in order to select Program Review. I use the scroll bar to the right-hand side of the screen to scroll down, and I see the link below Add Cycle that says Learning Communities Year 5 Program Review Update for Transfer Academy. Please make sure you click on the link itself and not the checkbox. The checkbox will not allow you to edit or add anything to your program review template. So please make sure you click on the link to open up and edit your template. After I click on the link, you will now see your Year 5 update for program review in eLumen for your learning community, in this instance, Transfer Academy. Please see the next video to complete Section 1 program update of your program review.